Not so long ago, well, in most of our minds anyway, a simple idea was born. That idea would start small but grow into something bigger, and would eventually change an industry. This is the story of Little Elvis. Now, like the rest of us, Little Elvis grew up pretty happy, like any other napkin drawing would, but he always felt like he had been drawn for something bigger. He knew if he was to find that something bigger, he would have to take a different path than those that came before him. So he took matters into his own hands and took the first step in building his tool set. He wasn't quite sure what this fancy piece of paper would do for him, but he knew it might come in handy down the road. The time came for him to start his search for his true calling in life. The opportunities were endless. Some of those jobs were better suited to other stick figures. Some would have provided a much earlier retirement, and some we wouldn't even call an option. And so, the journey continued. After much soul searching, and by some twist of fate, the answer would hit him out of nowhere. Now, as luck would have it, fate turned into action, and action into prosperity. Little Elvis was a busy guy. He had more work than he could shake a stick at. But as time marched on, he began to look around, and what originally seemed like a sweet Sunday drive now felt like rush hour traffic on the 91 freeway. If Little Elvis was going to be the baddest stick figure around, he would need a strategy. He decided the only way for him to stand out among the rest would be to build something better. So TWR was built on the foundation of customers first, a solid process, and the very best team in town. And he would do it all with a commitment to excellence and a will to succeed.